but when you use the up caret, instead of doing a power, it does XOR.
Oh, yes. I do remember that, yeah.
I'm new to Python, I don't know all these things.
But does Python 3 also support that? I did use that in Python 2 before.
Yeah, I think it supports it.
Our system is deployed in Unity 3D. 3 users are in different places. Our system will ingest users' live speech and animate motion in Unity 3D in real time. All motion and voice data are synchronized through cloud servers.
It sounds like a quiz to me, like Dr. Chen's quiz. You always have limited time and you have just thousands of questions coming up. Yeah, it's the bit calculation you need. Wait, but does that apply for Python? I didn't use that in Python. Yeah. Yeah, that I think the ultimate goal definitely is to minimize the average, but yeah, so definitely don't use your keyboard here. You never know how it works. I mean, the mechanism really is confusing.
A simulation scenario. Yeah, it's pretty tough, I would say.
It sounds like a quiz to me, like Dr. Chen's quiz. You always have limited time and you have just thousands of questions coming up.
Yeah.
Exactly. I guess they were not expecting us to solve all of the questions, but they probably were looking at what questions you would pick to solve in the given time.
Yeah.
So that you can score maximum points, probably.
Yeah, they just want to push you to see how you deal with the pressure. Yeah.
Precisely.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Really
you know, to work for a unique company, you need to take the pressure.
Exactly. Yeah, but none of the questions were actually thought-provoking, I would say. Like most of them were laborious.
Yeah, very trivial problems with a lot of border cases.
Yes, exactly.
Were you also asked like a logic question that was maybe non-coding?
Yes, I was asked.
Yeah. Oh, you?
Yeah.
I got some online
Who are you
tests.
asking to?
No, it's about similar. I think it's JP Morgan or something. I mean, they told me they're now recruiting PhDs. So, but somehow they sent me a link saying you can take this. We take this for all the candidates, and I just do it. And it's very stupid logical problems, like very easy ones, and some.
Yeah, like the way to use like a power in Python, you would do two of those multiplication symbols. But when you use the up caret, instead of doing a power, it does XOR.
Oh yes. I do remember that. Yeah.
I'm new to Python, I don't know all these things.
But does Python 3 also support that? I did use that in Python 2 before.
Yeah, I think it supports it.
I see.
And Pavan, you're learning the Golang, right?
Oh, I used to just for our implementation, but then we could resolve the issue with just minor Go command language, and then I left it there. So yeah, I just know how to import C packages into Go language. I've only gotten that far.
Do you think it's going to become more popular?
Oh, it is certainly going to be, because it is like an interface that unites all these languages into one platform. So essentially for developing APIs, I see a lot of Go language usage in future.
Yeah, especially Go is very good in multi-threaded programming.
Right.
Makes everything easier, much easier.
True.
I would say. Yeah, I used to maintain a system written in Go where you have to